Today, we're gonna go out. We're gonna pre-run.
Alright, so we were out shock tuning today and everything was going good until it wasn't. We got an issue. There's an issue inside of our transfer case.
I want to see what's going on inside of it.
Oh yeah, that looks great in there.
Look at all the chunks. So it's on the front gear. So it tells me that I hit something or hit the brakes too hard. Something happened that loaded up the front gear set. The good news is the parts will be here tomorrow. We'll take it apart, we'll rebuild it, and we'll get this thing fixed. So stay tuned.
The phone call that we made was to Steve from Advanced Adapters, and he happened to be loading up his truck and trailer and brought us all the goodies to rebuild our transfer case. That's what we're here for. Oh my God, thank you so much.
We got the new parts and I'm more excited than Christmas. So now we're gonna put this thing back together and then hopefully shock tune tonight or in the morning, and then hopefully go out and pre-run. Gears are in. Next up, rear gears.
What are you doing, Berto?
Cleaning the bowl.
It's going back in.
It's going back in. What do you think, Berto? Tired?
No. I'm okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Because you know we're gonna go fast in a minute. Driver's side seat's going in, passenger side seat is next. And then we're gonna go out and test. It's about 11 o'clock at night and transfer case is back in and we're getting the car put back together.